Course dropshipping is the concept of licensing courses produced by other people professionally and selling them to any market that you choose online. And it's currently one of the easiest business models to start with almost 100% profit margins. During the past 6 years, I've spent every single day in the e-learning space producing about 50 courses and scaling them to 80,000 students across the whole world. And in this video right here, I'm going to be breaking down the 5 steps to start course dropshipping yourself. You see, compared to traditional product dropshipping, in course dropshipping, you don't need to source new products, you don't need to have inventory, you don't need to pay import taxes and import fees, and you can literally reach a global market with those info products that can be selling over and over and over again. Now, here's where the biggest opportunity lies for you right now. Course dropshipping is a concept that literally no one talks about. You can check out this video right here. It probably has 100 views or 500 views or less than 1,000 views. You're one of the very first people introduced to this concept right here. And I can promise you that if you follow these 5 steps that I'm going to be elaborating on in this video right here, you will find success and you will see with your own eyes how profitable this business model is. So let's start with step 1 on how to begin your course dropshipping journey. In step 1, you of course need to license a course. So find someone who has created quality courses in a quality studio like this studio of mine right here and actually choose your info product. So again, I have spent the past 6 years of my life producing S-tier courses that have enrolled about 80,000 students across the whole world in online course marketplaces. And I'm currently licensing all of these courses for other people to dropship. You can check out the course catalog in the first link in the description if you want to license one of my courses to dropship, or you can browse the internet for other courses that other people have created for you to license the rights and then use for your course dropshipping business. The info products that you can license from my website range from teaching content creation, teaching AI, Claude, ChatGPT, marketing, online business, those type of stuff. I have purposely chosen to license these courses as these are the most profitable niches to start with course dropshipping in 2026. So after you have licensed your course and you have downloaded your info product, it is time to move to step 2. And in step 2, it's time for you to actually choose your market. And this is the biggest and most exciting thing about course dropshipping. When you dropship courses, when you sell courses, you can choose to who you're gonna sell. Are you gonna sell to customers or are you going to sell to enterprises? B2C or B2B? B2C courses, so courses that target customers, are usually lower ticket and are easier to sell, but you need to sell multiple courses in order to make big bucks. If you compare this to B2B courses, so licensing a course and then drop shipping it to enterprises and bigger businesses with one simple sale, you can make way more money than licensing the same course to a customer, but it all comes down to your branding and your positioning. So choose your approach. Are you going to be selling to customers or are you going to be selling to enterprises? My personal recommendation would be to start selling to enterprises. After you've licensed your course and you've chosen your market, now it's time to talk about step 3. And step 3 is branding. Now, if we're talking about branding 2 years ago, I would tell you that it would be kind of a pain in the ass. You ideally would like to work with a contractor to help you with branding and all of those visual elements and making sure that your course has a stable and solid brand identity to be able to sell to businesses or to customers. But now with AI, it has never been easier to brand a course and create your first e-learning institution to start, again, deploying these courses and sell them with credibility. You can use Claude for consistent branding across landing pages, home pages, sales pages. It's really as simple as it sounds. All you need is to be able to prompt in Claude. And I can also personally help you out here if you have questions in branding. You can click on the second link in the description, just book a call with me. I can help you out and guide you through this process. After you've brainstormed your branding approach and all of the elements that you will add in your website and your landing pages, it is now time to actually host your course somewhere. Lucky for you, there are multiple websites that specialize in exactly that, hosting your course and ensuring that there's a smooth educational experience for the students that enroll to your courses. On top of that, these same websites, these same online course hosting platforms help you with payment processing, so you can directly plug your payment processing in these websites and start collecting payments immediately, just like that. Some of the most common online course hosting websites are Kajabi, Thinkific, Teachable, and you can also host on School. Now, School is my personal online course hosting website of choice, as literally you can host the course that you have licensed completely for free there, or pay something like $9 a month to have this whole course hosted there. The student experience is absolutely amazing, and you have all of the key performance indicators that you want to track inside of School. For your first course, you're going to be dropshipping. I personally recommend School as the LMS, the learning management system of choice. So up until this point, you have licensed your course, you have chosen your market, you have created your branding assets, and you have hosted your course on your own online course hosting website. So what's left? The final piece of the puzzle here to start bringing sales with your online course dropshipping business is, of course, to take care of the funnels and the traffic to your course. Now, the funnels all come down to creating an awesome landing page that highlights the features of the course, what students are going to be getting, exactly aligned with your branding elements and the market that you're choosing to target. And again, we're going to be tackling everything regarding funnel creation, landing page creation, and website creation to bring people to your online course hosting platform after they have enrolled with AI. Again, I can't stress how productive AI is in the landing page creation process of this step. You can A/B test different headlines. It can help you with copy. It can help you with structuring all of the different pillars of your website. And honestly, you can use ChatGPT or Claude as your instructional assistant, right? As, let's say, your course expert to help you make sure that this website looks perfect and will enroll. So now that you have your funnel ready with a course hosted and a market clearly identified to target, it is now time to talk about traffic. How do we populate these funnels? How do we bring eyeballs inside of our landing pages? Well, there are 4 ways to do that. The first one is by running ads. So paying Meta, paying Facebook to drive traffic to your funnels, measure the key performance indicators, and then tweak and adjust based on if you have a positive return on ad spend. If you're a complete beginner and you're just starting out, I actually wouldn't recommend you to start with ads, as you can really burn through ads budget relatively fast if you don't know what you're doing. If you have a team of people that can help you with ads, it's perfect, and this is the actual choice that I would recommend you to go with. The second way to bring traffic to your course landing page is through organic content. And here's the thing with organic content. It's completely free to produce these videos, and it's also completely free to upload them on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, but you just can't measure the return on time and energy investment that you're going to be investing into creating this organic content. On top of that, if you want to do course dropshipping, probably you don't want to be in front of the camera. So organic content wouldn't be the perfect choice for you either. Now, the third option to drive traffic to your landing pages is personally my favorite one, and it's actually targeted cold outreach. In targeted cold outreach, especially if you're dropshipping courses to bigger businesses and bigger enterprises that will pay you a huge sum of money for one single course, you directly reach out to the HR teams, to managing directors, to CEOs, to CFOs of small enterprises, small to medium enterprises that would find value in your info product. And you can directly reach out to them through websites like Upwork, LinkedIn, or even Facebook groups that they hang out with. You can try reaching out to 10 to 20 small to medium enterprises per day, and trust me, you will be surprised with the results. It literally requires you $0 to start reaching out by yourself, and you don't need huge volume to see results and book some calls to sell these courses. Finally, the fourth way to bring traffic to your funnels is through cold outreach by sending bulk automated AI emails. And there are so many different companies that specialize in this. I've seen this work perfectly for courses. So I would actually suggest you to check this out after you have made your first $1,000 or $5,000 in profit from your online course dropshipping business. The beauty with this model is honestly in the profit margins. You're transacting information here. Those are digital products. You don't need an inventory, and you get to keep almost 100% of profit margins. In my opinion, online course dropshipping is one of the most revolutionary and profitable business models to start out there. And if you want more information or guidance on how to do that, you can book a call personally with me, and I will consult you and guide you through the whole process in the second link in the description. So thank you very much for being here. I'm going to see you in the next video.